Hello everyone, welcome to the first video of the logic building environment. So first thing I'd like to point out is the navigator window on the left side here. The navigator window right below it also has the inspector window that will tell you some information about the bits that we're going to be bringing in for this program. And mainly where we'll be working for this lesson is just an introductory to the actual logic building environment. So on the left side here you see your project, your target number, okay, and then if you keep following that down you see your hardware configuration and your logic. So if you click on main, it'll bring you to this logic building environment. In here you could see all the available tools for building logic. So we will be using normally open and output coils. Okay, so if I click on that, you just drop them in. 1, 2, 3, 4, and the output coil. Alright, so here we're just getting used to clicking and dragging, bringing logic in. For the wire tool, you could actually see where your wire is going to go before you connect it. So right here I want to put one horizontally, so I'll just click on that and drop it in there. Here I will put one vertically, and then here one vertically as well. So as we mentioned in class, this is a standard 3-wire control ladder logic. And to further go into this, the next lesson we will begin addressing and naming. So that was just a brief explanation on how to access the toolbar inside of the ladder logic environment and build some ladder logic. Like I said, next we will be going into addressing and naming of the bits. Thank you.